Mr. John, where did you grow up?
I grew up in Milwaukee, Wisconsin. I was born in 1936, and that's a long time ago. That's before the Second World War. And of course, that's up in the cold country. It was so interesting there. I can remember it got so cold, my dad would actually give me a ride to school if it got 20 below zero. I can remember my mother actually worked in the factory making bomb parts for the bombs. In high school, I wasn't big enough to go on the basketball team or the baseball team. So they said, okay, go on the swimming team. So I did go on the swimming team, and it was interesting. I'm not a great swimmer. But in the wintertime, I can remember walking home from school, and my hair would freeze. And it was so funny, and it felt really weird. Gee, it ever felt weird.
Mr. John, when you were a kid, what did you want to be when you grow up?
So I ended up graduating from high school. At that time, my mom and dad, they were professional people. They wanted me to go to college. But I had no idea what I wanted to do. I was graduating. I was 18 years old. I decided to go in the Air Force with my mother and father's blessings until I go in the service and find out what I really wanted to do. I spent 23 years in the Air Force. I met my wife. Well, we got married there, where she was in the service also. And I was 23 years, came back, dealt with mainly electronics. It was just a good way to spend a life.
How was your experience working at the Kennedy Space Center?
Well, my experience at the Kennedy Space Center was the most exciting time in my whole life. I want to tell you what, the first shuttle launch was just unbelievable. So we saw all the pieces come together. And then it came to launch day, the first launch day. Now, people have come from all over the country just to see this. I was at the Launch Control Center, which is with a vehicle assembly building, and that's as close as you could get. And then they lit it off. The crackling and the thunder and the roar of the space shuttle as it lifted off, and it was awesome.
Mr. John, what inspired you to be a volunteer for the Upslide program?
The Upslide program has made a big change in my later life. Wife passed away 2.5 years ago or so, and I was really in the pits and been married 64 years, and that leaves a hole in a person's life. And being close, my daughter, she's been a lifesaver for me. She said, go to the senior center. Well, after a couple of visits, I found the Upslide program, also known as the Friend Connection, and that made a difference in my life because I've had a place to go, and there's new people here. In no time at all, they are all friends.
What do you do for fun at the Senior Center?
Well, at the Senior Center, I do exercises twice a week. I like to get involved. I don't like to stay home and get bored. I hate TV, so I'm out here trying to volunteer for all kinds of things.
What are some of your favorite hobbies?
Okay, I'm 88, and I'm active at the Rifle and Pistol Club here in Tallahassee. And there you think, oh, the guns are bad. No, guns aren't. The biggest thing we do at the Rifle Club is preach safety before anybody does anything. I've been a big volunteer there for 10 years, and just nurturing young people as well as adults and getting them involved.
Do you have a favorite quote that you would like to share?
My favorite quote is, life is good. And I believe this completely. And it gives me a positive attitude when I think about it, because life is good and a positive attitude seem to go hand in hand. And you can get a lot out of both.